Good day everyone, our report is all about Region 4B, Mimaropa, Philippines. First and foremost, we must know the port of access in Mimaropa if we are planning to go there. The provinces in the Mimaropa regions are mostly island provinces with the exceptions of Occidental and Oriental Mindoro. Since they are islands, primary access is by air or sea. An international airport is available in Puerto Princesa City as the gateway to the world-famous islands, Palawan. We can all go there by air. Puerto Princesa International Airport is the main gateway to the region both from domestic and international destinations. Alternatively, domestic flights from Manila to San Jose Airport in Occidental Mindoro and El Nido Airport in Palawan are serviced by Cebu Pacific both approximately for an hour. Another choices is by sea. From Lucena City in Quezon, fast craft ferries are available going to Buac and Mongpog in Marinduque. On the other hand, fast craft ferries are available from Batangas Port to Calapan and Puerto Galera in Oriental Mindoro. San Jose and Abra de Ilog in Occidental Mindoro and Romblon. Moreover, Negros Navigations offers ferry trips from Manila to Puerto Princesa once a week. Last is the getting around. Regular bus trips are available to roam around each islands. Jeepneys and tricycle are also available to travel between towns. There are also several fast crafts ferries available to move from one island to another. For the attractions and services, first we have Marinduque. For the historical, cultural, and heritage attractions, we have Buwak Cathedral, built in 1792, the Immaculate Conception's Parish Church, commonly referred to as a Buwak Cathedral, played silent witness in Marinduque's history. For their natural attractions, we have Puktoy Beach, one of the popular beaches in the Philippines located in coastal town of Torrijos in Marinduque. Next is the Mount Malinding. Mount Malinding is the large, potentially active extravolcano on the island of Marinduque in the Philippines. Next is the Balanacan Bay, is the major part in the island province of Marinduque, Philippines. Next would be Tres Reyes Island, can be found in Barangay Pingan in Gasan, Marinduque. The name of the islands are originally derived from the three kings of the Nativity, Gaspar, Melchor, and Baltasar. The Tres Reyes Islands, also called the Three Kings, is a chain of three islands off the coast of Gasan. Malbog Sulphur Spring can be found at the base of the Mount Malinding volcano. Occidental Mindoro, for their historical, cultural, and heritage attractions. First is the Parola Park. A historical park locally known as the Parola Parks sits on a hill that is witness to the bravery of the Sablayenos who fought the Moro pirates in the 1700s. Next is the Apo Reef National Park. It's the largest atoll-like reef in the Philippines and second largest non-contiguous reef on Earth. For their natural attractions, we have Ambulong Island. Ambulong Island is a small island in the Philippines located on the western side of the Ambulan Strait that separates it from Ilim Islands. Ambil Island is an extinct volcano island rising to over 760 meters or 2,490 feet and is about 26 square kilometers. Pandan Grande Island is a tropical island with a small resort on the west coast of Occidental Mindoro, Philippines. Siburan Forest is the largest remaining lowland forest in Mindoro, located within the Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm. Mount Iglit. Baco National Park is the protected area of the Philippines and an ASEAN Heritage Park located in the island of Mindoro in central Philippines. White Island is one of the tourist spots in Occidental Mindoro. It is also called by the locals as Manadi Islands, which means sudden appearance, for it is said to have suddenly appeared decades ago. For their built attractions, they have Sablayan Zipline Adventure. It is a motorized zipline that runs from the port area of South Pandan Island. Mamburao Beach Resort, one of the famous beach resort in Mamburao, very affordable rates and easily accessible. Next would be the Oriental Mindoro, the historical, cultural, and heritage attractions. First is the Simbahang Bato. The Bancuro Church ruins, the popularly known as the Simbahang Bato, is located at Barangay Banuero in Mauhan. Next is the Mangyan Hanunoo Tribe Settlement. The Panaytayan Mangyan Settlement is located in the uplands of Mansalay, Oriental Mindoro, a municipality north of Bulalakaw. Another one is the Kuta. The ruins of Kuta Church in Anilao, Bangabong are the remains of an 18th century church. Next is the Cross of the Muili. When the Spaniards discovered the islands of Mindoro in the early 17th century, the natural beauty and safe haven that is Muili Bay astonished them. Next is the Baluarte, a Spanish fortress built in the 1800s. It was the witness to the bloody and brutal pangangayaw during the colonial period. Now for the natural attractions, we have Puerto Galera beaches, Tamaraw Falls, which is one of the Puerto Galera's most popular attractions. Mount Halcon is the highest mountain in the island of Mindoro in the Philippines. Now, Jan Lake National Park is one of a freshwater lake in the Philippines located at northeastern corner of the province of Oriental Mindoro on Mindoro Island. Bulalakaw Group of Islands, the hidden gem of southern Oriental Mindoro. Next on the line is the famous Palawan, their historical and cultural and heritage attractions. First is Puerto de Santa Isabel. Also known as Taytay Fort, is a coastal fortifications in the town of Taytay of Palawan, Philippines. Next is the Cuyo Port. It's a regular stopover along the ferry route between Iloilo City and Puerto Princesa. Agutaya Fort. Officially, the municipality of Agutaya is a fifth-class municipality in the province of Palawan. Melville Lighthouse is a historic lighthouse located in the islands of Balabac and the southernmost point of the province of Palawan. Now for their natural attractions. I know all of you are very familiar with their natural attractions. First on the list, we have Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, El Nido Marine Reserve Park, Honda Bay, Coron Island, Tabon Cave, Tubataha Reef Marine Park, Ugong Rock, San Vicente, Macuent Hot Spring. For their built attractions, we have Palawan Crocodile Farm, Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, Kalawit Safari Farm. Now for the last province, we have Romblon. Their historical and cultural heritage attractions, we have Fort San Andres and Santiago, Romblon Cathedral. For their natural attractions, we have Crest de Gallo Islet, Looc Bay Marine Sanctuary, Bonbon Beach, Cantinas River, and for their built attractions, the Marble Shopping Center.